Looking for a heat gun and not sure if you need cheap, cordless, or full workshop power? Here's a clear ranking from the weakest option to the one that gives you the most for the money and the widest range of jobs. In fifth place, this one is the basic pick. It gets the job done for light home use, but compared with everything else here, it feels more like a starter tool than something you grow into. You get 2 heat settings, a light body, and simple controls that almost anyone can figure out in seconds. For small craft jobs, loosening stickers, or quick shrink wrap work, that simplicity can actually be nice. And it is lighter than most of the others, so your hand will notice that on longer jobs. But there's a problem. You only get 2 fixed temperatures, and that limits what you can do compared with the more flexible models above it. It also has less output and fewer extras than the DEWALT and Makita corded tools, and it is not as portable as the cordless options once you need to move around. This might work for you if you just want an inexpensive corded tool for occasional use and nothing more. And before we move on, links to all the products in this review at the best price are in the description under the video. In fourth place, this is where portability starts to matter. If working around a cord drives you crazy, this one immediately makes more sense than the entry-level corded option. What stands out here is freedom. You can carry it onto a roof, into a car, or around a job site without hunting for an outlet. It also gives you a useful top heat level for shrink tubing, decals, and lighter repair work, plus an LED light and 2 nozzles right in the box. Compared with the BLACK+DECKER, it is way more convenient in awkward spaces. The trade-off is output. Airflow is much lower than the corded models, and you still only get 2 heat settings. So while it is more convenient than the 5th place tool, it is not as adjustable or as capable as the Makita cordless model above it, and it cannot match the stronger corded tools for bigger jobs. This is a good fit for people already on the 20-volt platform who want a grab-and-go heat gun for quick work. And if you're enjoying the ranking so far, like this video and subscribe to the channel. In third place, this is the cordless choice I'd lean toward when control matters more than pure convenience. It keeps the mobility of a battery tool, but adds more of the fine control people usually miss on cordless heat guns. The big win is variable temperature. That makes it easier to handle different materials without feeling stuck between not enough and too much. You also get a case and a solid nozzle set, which gives it more value out of the box than the DEWALT cordless model. In my experience, that matters because heat guns are way more useful once you stop using the bare tool alone. Still, cordless is cordless. Airflow is lower than both corded finalists, and runtime depends on the battery you own. So while this beats the other battery model for flexibility, it still is not the best choice for long, heavy work where steady heat and stronger airflow matter most. This one makes sense for users who want cordless freedom, but do not want to give up too much control. Now we're into the serious corded tools, where raw performance starts to pull ahead. In second place, this is the all-around workhorse. It feels like the model for someone who wants one heat gun that can handle a wide mix of jobs without getting overly complicated. You get a broad temperature range, an LCD display, solid airflow, overload protection, and a very complete kit. That makes it more versatile than both cordless tools right away, and a lot more refined than the BLACK+DECKER. The long cord also helps more than you'd think. A few extra feet can be the difference between working smoothly and dragging an extension cord across the floor. The reason it does not take first place is simple. The Makita above it pushes a wider heat range and a bit more overall muscle. This one is still excellent, but it gives up a little ground at the top end, and the 50-degree step control is good rather than ultra-fine. This is the one I'd suggest to most people who want strong performance, useful accessories, and no real weak spots. But if you want the broadest range and the most heavy-duty feel in this group, there's one more to see. In first place, this one wins because it gives you the most room to work with. More heat, more range, more control, and still a manageable size. That's a strong combo. Here's why it matters. If you switch between stripping paint, bending plastic, thawing, loosening adhesive, or more delicate work, a wide range makes life easier. It also gives you LCD control, 3 blower modes, and a good set of nozzles in the case. Compared with the DEWALT in second, it feels a little more ready for demanding jobs and a little more flexible when the task changes. It is not perfect, of course. It is still corded, so you lose the freedom of the battery models, and some people may prefer a simpler interface. But compared with the rest of this list, the balance of output, range, and included gear is the strongest overall. This is the one I'd pick for the most complete setup in this ranking, especially if you want one tool that can cover both lighter jobs and more serious workshop use. Check the links in the description under the video to see the top products and compare current prices. And if this ranking helped you narrow it down, like the video and subscribe to the channel.